Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today, I'm going to be looking at Boeing stock. Alright, let's look at the chart. The chart had a nice little run up, so it's been okay. And now it might be cooling off a little bit. So there's a couple of factors at work here. Alright. Number one, the airplane industry is going well. People are back in the air. Airplanes are full, so that's good. I'm not sure if Boeing has any new orders for airplanes, but they are developing a lot in the pipeline. They did have a little bit of an issue when the hypersonic jet, the company they were working with, went out of business unexpectedly. A little bit of an internet issue today. So what I need to do today is I need to generate some cash flow, and my position in Boeing is a little big for my account. It's about 20% of my account, and normally I'd be okay with that, but I really want to take some money off the table with Boeing eventually here, and I want to put it into higher growth stocks. So what I want to do here is I want to sell a covered call. I'm going to sell two covered calls actually. So I want to sell, so for this week, it's not really worth it. Next week, it looks like pretty good pricing. Alright? Wow, this is a real problem today. Alright, here we go. I'm going to sell these two. I'm going to sell that one. Just got to figure out how badly I want to get rid of the stock. But it looks like it's moving down, so should look at my technical indicators. But here we go. So I'm going to generate about $800 on this covered call, which is not bad. What's the AWORK on that? Alright, that's pretty good. So I make $840 on two covered calls in Boeing. Let's go back and look at that. Here it is, Boeing. I have a call at 255 and then I still have that put at 265 that expires this month. So I'm going to either try to roll that out and roll it down, hopefully, and still get a credit. So I'll roll it out for a credit for sure. I could roll it out, but rolling it down, you don't always able to get a credit, but sometimes you are. So be sure to subscribe to my videos to see how I do that. So we'll roll it out and down closer to where the strike is than currently. Currently the price is $250. And hopefully eventually Boeing is going to go back up again. Once the pandemic is fully over, things get back to more normal. Although I'm not sure air travel is ever going to fully recover to pre-COVID levels, because a lot of companies are doing Zoom and GoToMeeting. A lot of options out there now for virtual meetings. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen in the future. But anyway, Boeing I think is still worth an investment. So I'll probably keep 100 shares. But you can see it ties up a lot of my account. I have 100K in it. And I'd like to put some more money into these other high growth stocks like Fisker and Arcimoto and GoEV and some of these higher growth potential stocks, Palantir. I have a bunch of them in Palantir already, right? But I mean, this is one of the stocks of the future. Boeing is a good future stock, but it doesn't. It's like a dinosaur, right? It doesn't have a lot of growth, not a lot of movement. It's very slow. Palantir is like a gazelle, right? It's very fast, up and comer. So that's why I had big bets on it, and it looks like they're finally starting to pay off. Alright guys, let me know what you think about Boeing, Palantir, some of these SPACs. They're worth investing in for the long term. I have small investments in those now. You can see GoEV, Akamoto, and Fisker. Alright guys, that's it for today in the Daily Options Trade. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.